Good morning guys, today we've got here OUKITEL WP300 and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first open your phone dialer and go to keypad, as this is the panel in which we will be entering the codes. The first one, the shortest one, is *##06#, and as you can see, this one will provide you with device information. So anytime you need to check IMEI number or serial number, just provide this code and within just a couple of seconds you will see everything, like IMEI and serial number actually, and that's all right in front of you. So that's it. Tap on OK to exit. Another code that you can use on your OUKITEL is *##222. And here we've got the calendar info. So if you have more events that I do in your calendars, actually in any calendar that is connected with this device, everything would be listed here. So this is it for this one. Another code that you can use here is *#, again *#, 426, #*#. And here you've got the FCM diagnostic panel in which you can check events and status. If you want to explore it a bit more, if you want to see more details, just tap on more icon and select advanced view, and here you've got it. And the last code that I would like to share for this device is *#, 4636, *#. And here you've got the testing mode in which you can find phone information, user statistics, and Wi-Fi details. So under phone info, you've got the IMEI number, obviously, a phone number if your SIM card is inserted, current network, roaming, data service, data network type, voice service, voice network type. You can run a ping test here. Here you've got the results and so on. Just explore this panel with those data that you wish to check. Then you've got usage statistics here, so you can find statistics for each app. And then you've got Wi-Fi details. So under Wi-Fi info, you've got Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also Wi-Fi status. And the status panel also allows you to run a ping test. So that's it. That will be all. And actually, these are all codes that I wanted to share with you today. Enjoy, use them as often as you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.